Hello, all my dear teacher friends. Today let's see by using Google Form how we can create multiple choice question answer test for our finished topics, or we can conduct quiz through Google Forms. So first we'll open Play Store and we'll search in the search bar Google Forms. Google Forms we'll search and we'll download it. Only 14 MB it is. We'll download. While downloading, we can see one by one its features. For sometimes it will take very less time to download. Now installing, very less time it will take to install. So it is already downloaded and installed. Let's close this window and we'll go to our screen and we'll search where the Google form is added. You see here Google form is added. In Forms app it is written. So we'll open it. It will ask to go through it, so the new user can go through it. So it's already set. So here on the top you see Google form is written. Touch that so that it will ask for you the Gmail ID. So the proper Gmail ID you give, which one you want to give, then it will open your Google form window. Here plus sign it is showing. Create forms, it will only show for the first time to make you acquainted with this environment. You see create form, you can click on the plus sign. So here we can go for creating new form. Varieties of templates given already made in forms, which quickly you can go and you can do use one. But as our purpose is little different, so we can go for the create blank forms in the bottom of the screen, and here it is showing plus sign will give you the facilities to add the questions. We can go for adding the questions, but now first we will give the form a title. So it is written untitled form, we have to give here the title. So my suggestion in the title, what we can write, we will write our school name. After writing our school name in the title, then description is there. On description part we can write the class for which we want to make the question. Then as exemplary I am writing the data class 6, suppose it is A, subject science, so I can write science here, and for the topic you can write any of the topic of science and you can go for this. So here my title part is completed, description part is completed. After writing the description we can go to plus button. To add, first we'll add section. What we'll do here, we'll collect the information which student is giving the answer. I should know, I have written, okay, I have written class 6 on the description. I am making it for section A. I can write also here section A, and my subject, my topic, then after I will write here science I have written. I can write the topic name here, so that it is confirmed that which class, which section, which subject and which topic test I am taking. Fine. Here in the section we have added, here the section head should be written, header should be written. What is the name of the section or the title of the section? Here this section is for collecting the information which appearing the test. So name of the students, so it is information, students information. I will write as per your convenience and your choice, you write it. I am just making it exemplary. So student information I have written. Then I will go and asking questions. What I will ask? Short answer type, because students will write their name. I am not giving any option. So we can give your instruction. Write your full name. We can give the instruction, and we have made it short answer text. So students will appear it. Is it required? 100% it is required. Then again give a short answer type. Write your school number. so that you can have a track on them. That is also short answer type. Text it is written is required. Different school number is only digits. Here we will put one restriction that students they cannot enter any character. See how to do this. In the three dots I will click here. Here at last you see there is an option called response validation. So that I will click that. Here in the first one coming number, yes, I am restricting to number only, so students will enter only number, and in the second line it is written greater than, my validation is not greater than, I will come to each number. At last part it is written each number, I will click that. So my field is restricted to number and only the validation is each number. They cannot enter any other character than digits. So it's completed. Then here my point should be 0. As I am making a questionnaire, at last students will be able to see their score. In this name and the school number there is no marks. That should be sure by clicking in the left side blue icon where tick mark is there. By clicking there we should fix here 0 point and there is no answer, then click on done. Second also on the students school number also same. Here I will click, I will go to the left icon where tick mark is there and I will see it is sure that 0 point is given. So again done. So my section number 2 part is complete. Then I will move to the third part. I will click on the plus sign in the left bottom corner. Plus sign means I am adding one question on the section. Here question, where question written, I will write my question. I am writing one exemplar question. Here varieties of questions are available. Different questions are available. I can go which one I need. Now I am showing you the multiple question, multiple choice question. Here option 1 I have to write, suppose I am writing physics, then add option I have to click, add option, I can write another option. In the same way I should check it is required, is given, and I will go to the blue icon. Here I will check point is set to 1 and I will set the answer here. Done. So I have completed 2 questions. Like that I can add many questions as per my need. After that, a important point, we should go to the setting part. Here in the top control bar there is a 3 dot of the form. Then I should go to the setting. Here in the general tab 3 tabs are there. One is general, then is presentation, then is quiz, and a top save button is available. First let me check general. First one is collect email address. If you click here collect email address, then the email address of the students will be collected. For the here I don't need it. Limit to 1 response. This one should be checked if you are making a quiz or any of the examination. So students should appear once only. Then after you can give a second chance, and also if required you give third chance. That depend on you, but you restrict it to limit to 1 response. You check, then those students have not done well, you give me a second chance. So that is depend on you. Edit after submit. This one if you will click, the students will be able to edit the options what they have submitted once. After submitting also they will be able. So will not give this one. See summary chart and text responses, that also keep unchecked. Presentation, so progress bar, if you want to show the progress bar to students, check it. Shuffle question order, in this if you will click, so that the questions will be shuffled, it will be randomly given to the students. Mixing and randomly it will be given to students. So link to submit another response. Suppose one student given 1 response, do you want to give them second chance, then you tick on this. So here I am not ticking the last 2, I am given only show progress bar. Then I will go to quiz. In quiz, this is very much important, it should be a quiz, because we are assigning mark and we want the student will see the score at last. So make this a quiz, and immediately after submission this one should be checked. First one should be checked immediately after each submission. So student will submit and they will be able to see their score. What will be see? Only not only score, they will see missed questions, they will see correct answers, they will see point values, means score. This is our all set. Then we should click save button. Don't forget to click on save button, otherwise all our work will go to water. So here once check the form setting, change setting, whether it is asking for email address. Yes, sometimes it is by default, so we should uncheck it. Then again we should go to save. See, now it is not asking the email. So our form is almost complete. I have only added 2 questions. As per your need, you add more questions. Then all setting is okay. Then I will go to publish it. How I will go to publish it? Here I will go to the arrow mark you see in the control bar, in top arrow mark, that is the publish. Here send form is written. Send via, first is email, lifafa button is email, second one is create link. So I will go to second one. Here the link is generated and I will shorten the URL. It will make little short. Then after it is ready to publish, you will go to copy. You see here it is copy button is available. So my link is now copied. I can go to WhatsApp. I can send it any group which I need. I am posting to a exemplary group. So here I have posted the link and I should write a message to the students. Okay, so write the message, your form is submitted. Then the important part is you have given the link to students and you have also instructed to appear the test. Now how we will check the how many students appear the test? Here see, when I am opening the Google form, again I should go to that form which one I have sent. See which one I have sent. See here view responses is 3. Already 3 students appear the exam. First one is from form status active. So you can make it stop when you want, just put the button off so that no inactivities become inactive, no one can appear the exam now. So when you need, you on it, so it will be active, then students appear. Edit form, any changes you require you can go for edit form. Then view responses. View responses means you will how many students appear the examination. So yeah, as we have seen 3, here 3 students, summary it is showing. Here individual we can go, we can check one by one. We can check one by one here. So and export. Dear friends, this is a mobile version. So here if you will go to export in Excel, it will tell that you should buy the app. So here we are getting some limited options as it is a mobile version. If you are working on desktop or laptop, you will get more benefits, more options, and you can download it to Excel. You can keep it for your future reference. You can check it properly. You can generate a result sheet. Everything you can do. Here you can check on mobile. You can check which answer and what is answer. So this is all about Google Form. Thank you.